Research shows that during university, connecting with community and forming friendships leads to higher GPAs and increased mental health. So, where do you start? Sometimes it can feel like this.
Even though we are like a smaller university, there's like 12,000, 11,000 students, that is still a lot of people. And even though there's always a lot of people like probably walking around, it is easy to feel like kind of alone if you don't have like that constant like group of people that you can always like rely on.
But here's something to remember.
I realized everyone is in the same boat as you. Like they all want to get to know each other. They all want to make friends.
You really just need to find your place. It's going to events that speak to you.
And here's a little sneak peek of iconic events that happen every year.
Even if you want to go alone, that's completely fine. Even if you have no one to go with, just put yourself out there. I went to an event in my first year. I was really scared, but I met 3 other people there who were also alone, and we just hung out with each other.
You'll hear a lot of people when you first join, folks talking about like, oh, our campus is very tight-knit. But in those first few weeks, you will experience that.
A big reason why UBCO's community is so tight-knit is because of how active clubs are on campus. And hey, why not start your own club too?
Walking around on campus, like people are a lot friendlier than you think.
You are maybe seeing the same folks here and there. Eventually, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, I think you're in my class. Would you like to go, like, do you wanna hang out, do coffee, do you wanna do assignment together? And it's not weird because I saw you at Walmart, I saw you here, I saw you in residence, it's not weird in any way because when you are looking for community, when you're seeking for people that have similar values or similar interests or things like that, they're gonna be in the same places that you are. And here I found you legitimately will always find them.
The truth is, the people make your experience. Tum est, it is yours.